Hi, guys. My name is Princess, and this is my new book, Excellence at the Bedside. I'm so happy to let you guys know that it is not only available in ebook format, but now available as well in print format on Amazon.com. So, guys, I would like to just tell you a little bit about my experience as a nurse. I have been a nurse going on 20 years. The last 10 or so, 10 to 15 years have been in the ICU setting. I am an experienced neurosurgical ICU nurse. I am certified in critical care and stroke. And I also worked in the coronary care unit as well as a travel nurse on various travel assignments. Prior to that, I had experience being a charge nurse in nursing homes. But the majority of my nursing career, I worked in teaching and magnet facilities. And so I have had a lot of experience in what excellence at the bedside looks like. In addition to that, I am a mom of 3 girls. And so I know what it's like to be a patient. I know what it's like to be on the other side. Okay. I had 3 cesarean sections. So I was in a lot of pain, obviously, during my C-sections and things of that nature. But I know what it's like to be a patient as well. So I know what it's like to be on the other side of the spectrum. And so when I wrote this book, I not only wrote it from the perspective of a nurse, but I wrote it from the perspective of what a patient would like to have, as a nurse, what the service that a patient would love to have as a nurse. So I feel like when you read this book, you're going to find a lot of gems. And the points that I talk about is going to make a lot of nurses feel included and a part of the journey in this book, because I include diversity. I include the population. It showcases the population of nurses the way it is now. We have a lot of male nurses now. The population is very diverse. Even our patient population is diverse. So I talk a little bit about that. I talk little bit about some of the significant issues that are pressing the nursing profession at this moment. I talk a little bit about just going back to the basics and fundamentals of nursing, and how as nurses it's so important that we build on our profession on those fundamentals and not forget them, because they help us, they strengthen our care, and they help guide our practice. I talk a little bit about some of the aspects that makes you a professional, strong nurse. And it's just simple things that you can do. I also talked about being organized and how those things help you have a better day at work, have a better shift. And we all know that those shifts can get crazy. So just knowing certain tips on how to be the best you can be at the bedside is how this book is going to help you be excellent at the bedside sooner. Okay, because over time you'll get there. But obviously, in the times that we're in now, the sooner you learn these critical skills, the better. So thank you.